Do it!
There you go! Take it!
Got it!
Assault! Catch! I'll see what else I can find. Catch!
That'll do.
There's no way out!
Here!
Thanks! Do you unlock this?
Keep a lookout.
What is it about that song that brings in the bird?
It always has. When I was younger, I used to be excited when I heard it.
Excited.
He was all I had. He fed me, brought me books. He was my friend.
Friend?
Until I grew up. And I hated him. Because he was my warden. He's just Comstock's pet, isn't he? Just like me. Got it. Look at this. Fitzroy's no better than Comstock. Was she?
Once people get their blood up, it ain't easy to settle it down again.
This is on our hands.
Show yourself!
Sorry.
I saw something once when I first got here. A dream. It was New York, but larger than any New York I ever saw. It was burning.
None of the Prophet's magic is rubbing off on you.
Yeah! Let him down!
No negotiation! No surrender!
Here you go! That's all I have right now.
The revolution is at hand!
Take it.
Can you get this open?
Sure thing. There. those two are. Well, at least she, invented the technology that allows the city to float.
Giant balloons.
Quantum particles, suspended in space-time at a fixed height.
So, not giant balloons?
But the thing is, my book said they disappeared several years ago.
I told you they'd come.
No, you didn't.
Right. I was going to tell you they'd come.
But you didn't.
But I don't.
Are you sure that's right?
Something tells me they're not exactly what they appear.
I was going to have told you they'd come.
No,
The subjunctive.
that's not subjunctive.
I don't think the syntax has been invented yet.
It would have had to have been.
Had to have had been. That can't be right.
They seem to want to help.
They seem to be out of their
Odd,
minds.
isn't it?
What's odd?
The fact that we sometimes...
Finish each other's sentences?
Exactly.
It would be odder if we didn't.
How do you suppose they manage that?
I'll get back to you after I figure out the floating city bit. Come on. Comstock House is up ahead.
The seed of the prophet shall sit the throne.
Thought they'd stay on top forever. Ha! Look at them.
Press to lunge at enemies, delivering a tornado blow. Hold and release to build up a more devastating tornado.
Here's some cash. Here.
District's out. Execute anybody who looks like they've given us trouble. Anyone with a gun.
Mr. Comstock, when we next meet, it won't be to parley. See, I went out to that Hall of Heroes to scalp your false shepherd for you.
Yours.
Turns out, though, DeWitt speaks Sioux. He helped me to swap words with this crippled child I've been, looking after. Now, after hearing how the kid has fared in your city, I'm thinking when we take your pelt, I'll let him hold the knife.
And baby calls, he's so ambitious, even so. But don't forget, folks, that's what you get for making movies.
Huh. Look at this.
Dance with the man.
Need money? Catch, Booker.
Much obliged.
Here you go, you sons of bitches! Your homes are ours! Your lives are ours! Not seen anywhere!
Elizabeth!
All right.
You see where he was?
Nice! Perfect timing.
Put it to the torch! Righteous fury!
Ammo, take it!
Can you open this, Elizabeth?
Child's play. It's done.
Don't give any like hell.
That one! Now!
There you go!
Die here.
Pencils! Over here! Those turnstiles are one way. Should we check out the bookstore before we leave?
Can you open this?
It's a simple dual-dial lock. My book said most fools keep the combination no more than 20 feet away.
Let's hope we find one of those fools.
More money. Take this.
Perfect, this might be it. Why are you so keen on lock-picking and code-breaking?
If you put a person in a cage, they develop an interest in such things.
I suppose so.
And I won't be locked up again.
Elizabeth. Elizabeth, you...
Promise me.
I will stop him.
That is an oath you cannot keep. But promise me that if it comes to it, you will not let him take me back.
It won't come to that. All right?